If you're tired of Miro's limitations, pricing, or just looking for a fresh take on online collaboration tools, this video is for you. In 2025, the demand for real-time whiteboards, project planning, and remote collaboration tools is bigger than ever. But Miro isn't the only game in town. Today, we'll show you the top 5 best Miro alternatives that offer powerful whiteboarding, seamless teamwork, and in some cases, AI features Miro doesn't even touch. Let's dive in. Boardmix, the AI-powered visual workboard. Kicking things off is Boardmix, a rising star in the collaboration world. At first glance, it looks like a sleek whiteboard, but under the hood, it's packing built-in AI assistants that help you do more faster. You can create mind maps, auto-generate flowcharts, translate and polish text, and even turn scribbles into clean diagrams with just a few clicks. Plus, it supports real-time multi-user collaboration, making it perfect for remote brainstorming, client presentations, and product planning. Its interface is clean, intuitive, and super responsive, something many users say Miro lacks. And here's the kicker. Boardmix offers a lifetime plan for under $100, which makes it an unbeatable deal for freelancers, educators, and startups. Key features: AI-powered whiteboard tools, real-time team collaboration, dozens of templates, mind maps, org charts, Kanban, affordable lifetime pricing, free plan available, lifetime access available, Lucidchart, the Diagram Pro. Next is Lucidchart, a powerhouse for anyone who needs more structure than Miro offers. It's especially popular with developers, engineers, and IT teams, thanks to its robust support for complex diagrams. Whether you're mapping out cloud infrastructure, creating flowcharts, or visualizing data flows, Lucidchart's clean layout and logical tools help you move faster. It also integrates with Google Workspace, Atlassian, Microsoft 365, and more, so it fits easily into most enterprise stacks. It's not as freeform as Miro, but when accuracy and alignment matter, Lucidchart wins. Key features: flowcharts, UML, ERD, and network diagrams. Enterprise-level integrations. Templates for almost any use case. Pricing: free basic plan, premium starts approximately $7.95 per user per month. Trello, the visual task master. Now let's talk about Trello. It may not be a classic whiteboard, but it's one of the most visual, flexible tools for team productivity. Trello is based on Kanban boards, where you can easily move tasks through custom pipelines, great for project tracking, team assignments, and editorial calendars. With power-ups, you can turn Trello into a mini Miro. Add timelines, voting systems, custom fields, and even whiteboard-style views. It's incredibly easy to use and great for team members who aren't into overly complicated interfaces. Key features: drag and drop Kanban boards, power-ups for calendar, voting, diagrams, etc. Works on mobile, desktop, and browser. Best for marketing teams, freelancers, agile developers. Pricing: free core plan, premium from approximately $10 per user per month. CONCEPTBOARD feedback. First, whiteboarding CONCEPTBOARD is another Miro-style tool with a strong emphasis on feedback and discussions. It's like an infinite canvas where teams can leave comments, brainstorm visually, and work together in real time, even with clients. What makes CONCEPTBOARD shine is its ability to handle design reviews, workshops, and visual presentations without clutter. If you work with visual media or prototypes, this is your Miro replacement. Pricing: free basic plan, business plans start around €6 per user per month. ASANA, the project execution engine. And finally, ASANA, not a whiteboard, but a powerhouse for project organization and workflow planning. With timeline views, task dependencies, automation, and team dashboards, ASANA gives you a crystal clear overview of your projects. And with its recent updates in 2025, you can now use visual boards, Gantt charts, and even integrate with whiteboard tools like Boardmix or Lucidchart for end-to-end productivity. Pricing: free plan available, Premium from $10.99 per user per month. So there you have it. 5 powerful Miro alternatives that are crushing it in 2025. Check the link in the description. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more tech tools, software breakdowns, and productivity hacks every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.